Adobe Animate CC is the premier application for creating expressive animation and interactive content, enabling publication to multiple platforms, including Flash Player and Air, HTML5 Canvas, WebGL, or even custom platforms,
such as Snap SVG.
to reach viewers on virtually any desktop or mobile device. The array of creative projects you can build with Animate CC is nearly limitless. Some of the most popular uses include animated, expressive cartoons for web, television, and film, an assortment of games across web browsers, desktop, and even iPads, iPhones, and Android devices, content which targets new technologies like WebGL in the native browser, a variety of compelling advertisements which adhere to all the new guidelines, and of course, a variety of additional web content types. Animate CC includes an extensive array of integrated creative tooling and workflow options, including a mature and time-tested frames-based timeline, allowing full control over all properties of an animation, robust tweening and easing functionality to animate content effectively and naturally, the ability to create and manage assets and symbols with the project library, as well as a panel full of familiar tools for creating new content. Animate CC introduces exciting new tools like the stage rotation tool and the ability to use vector art brushes directly within your Animate projects with the all-new paintbrush tool, adding an entirely new level of expression and creativity to your Animate projects. The integration of Adobe Stock allows quick access to millions of photographic and vector assets, and access to CC libraries provides quick access to content created across both desktop and mobile devices. Animate CC even makes it easy to include code directly within your projects, whether using ActionScript or JavaScript, by working directly within the Actions panel. And the integrated rich motion editor allows contextual access to control the finer properties of an animation. When your project is complete, Animate CC enables you to publish your animation to run on a variety of platforms. For example, you can choose to publish an advertisement in HTML5 Canvas, a game in WebGL, or Air for desktop, iOS, or Android, a cartoon movie in Flash Player, or a video using the same creative assets, all within the exact same creative environment.
Be sure to download Animate and start creating today.